guys, my name is Titi. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So can you guys see this baby? Can you see her? Yes, I laid this baby using just these two products. Yes, so if you're interested in seeing how I slayed this baby using GOT2BE gel, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I'll be mixing water, LOTTA body foam wrap, L'Oreal defining spray, argan oil, and strictly curls. I will leave the information down below. So to get this baby really flat, I'll be using wax stick that's available on my website, and a hot comb that's also available on my website. I'll leave the link down below. So separate the new baby hair. Between guys, this wig is over 2 years, so we have to recreate baby hairs. Now I'm spraying the mixture we did earlier on the hair. You can see how cute she's looking. That's the way to maintain your curly hair. Keep that coarse poppy sis. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you inside of my wig. This wig was made by me with sewing machine, and this is how she's looking right now. I already went ahead to put my foundation color. Okay guys, so I'll be using GOT2BE glue and GOT2BE free spray. This is how I like to do mine. Take a little amount of this GOT2BE, put it in a container, a lid, rather, spray some GOT2BE free spray, give it a nice mix, cleanse your skin with alcohol, 91% alcohol, or use a soapy water. For in today's video, I'm using 91% alcohol to take out any oil on my skin. Start by sweeping your head backward. Lay those edges and the mixture, that's the gel and the first spray, on your hair. Blow it for a few seconds, and once it's tacky, then you should be ready to apply your wig. Use your ratchet comb to press it down. Just in case you have any lifting like me, just go ahead and put some glue, blow dry it and lay it down. Make sure you cut out any excess lace around your hair. This install can only last you for about 1 to 2 days, depending on your skin, how much oil you produce on your skin. If you have any lifting, just go ahead and put some GOT2BE spray and the gel, lay it down and blow dry it. I don't want this video to be too long, so if you guys want an in-depth tutorial on how to create your baby ears, please leave me a comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. I mixed LOTTA body and GOT2BE gel to create my baby ears. Tie it down for 5 to 10 minutes and blow dry it with high heat. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you learned something new today, please definitely give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share with your friends and family. Don't be stingy with information, okay? I'll see you in my next one. Bye.